Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're ready and excited for this eye look as much as I was to film it. I wore this look to the Beyonce concert, and let me just say, I've been to not a whole lot of concerts. I've been to a couple. When Beyonce came out on stage, my whole body got chills. Like, that voice is just, fuck. You have to hear it in person. You have to be in person. She is such a great performer. I never dance. Well, I dance at concerts, but not as much as I dance like I was at the club for the Beyonce concert. It was amazing. If you ever want to go to a concert where you're just gonna like have a good ass time, invest in Beyonce concert, because it's not cheap. It's not cheap to go. But if you want some really good seats, invest in those seats, because let me tell you, if you just want to go to one concert in your life, that is the concert to go to. Enough of that. But this is the eye look that I did. This is actually the whole makeup look that I did for that concert. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already have this eye done, and I'm going to show you how to do it on this side. Don't mind that little pimple. Alright, we're going to go in with our dose of colors. We're going to go in with this color, Finders Keepers, and we're going to go ahead and put that on top of our crease. We're just going to do like windshield wiper motions. Okay, and then with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with Poquito Más, which is this color right here. Let's go just a little bit into the palette. And then I'm just gonna go right underneath that and build. Guys, I need to get my eyebrows done. So freaking bad. Do you see that? So freaking bad. And with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to use this blue right here. And we're going to put that all on the lid. So just take your flat brush, go into that color, and then just start patting. You're gonna wanna leave the front of this open because we're gonna go in with a yellow. Leave it open, and then you can go back in and blend it once you put it in. All right, and then you're gonna go in with a smaller taper fluffy brush. You're gonna go just a little bit in with that blue, and then you're going to blend out the edges very lightly, because you do not want a crazy smoky blue eye and people are wondering who beat you up. And then you see how we lost some of that blue because we were blending. You're gonna go back in and you're gonna pat more of it on. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna go in with a MAC. I don't know what the number is, but it's a flat brush. And I got this color from my Ipsy Glam bag this month, and it's like kind of like a charcoal gray. Meech and Mia Press Shadows in Gunmetal. It's gonna pat just really softly. And then I'm gonna take that color and put that on my outer V and bring it in slightly, because I just want some depth in the corner. I don't want it to be all blue. So then you go back in with that tapered brush and you just ever so slightly blend it out. we're gonna take a smaller flat brush. Take this color from your Jaclyn Hill palette, and you're just going to put this all on the center of your eye, which kind of gives like that mermaid effect, which I'm here for, honey. And just kind of go up in a line, like you're making a path for your destiny. Now I'm going to take this color right here. I'm going to take it on the same brush, just a little bit, and I'm going to put that right on the center, just to kind of make it stand out just a little bit more. Look at that. Beautiful. And go back in with your MAC, the one we used to lay down the blue, and just take a little bit and whatever's left on your brush even, and just slightly blend it. Blend it into your into the middle color, just on the edges. That's so pretty. Now we're gonna go in with another medium-sized flat brush, and we're gonna go, I have this Marc Jacobs palette. This is from years ago. It was the 210, the Siren palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, there it is, this color right here, which is kind of like a yellow gold, but it doesn't give off like a too overwhelming of a gold. So I'm gonna just put that right in the tear duct, and then like let it burst into my eye, and then slightly bring it up where it can kind of connect. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with this white. I'm gonna take the white and I'm gonna just put it right on the tear duct, because I want to see if it's gonna like make it pop even more. Oh honey, look at that. Hello. That's so pretty. We're gonna go back in with the brush, the blue brush, and we're gonna just lightly touch the yellow edges just to kind of bring it all together. Just ever so slightly. And just have a seamless blend, you know? You don't want a crazy looking eye. All right, let's go ahead and coat our lashes. You know the drill, Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Let's coat these babies. You see the difference in the blending? So always double check. Go back in with poquito más. Alright, let's go ahead and put on our lashes. I'm going to take my Lily lashes in Miami. Go ahead and take a small fluffy tapered brush, and I'm going to go in with Finders Keepers. Smoke out my bottom lash line. And when you smoke out, don't forget to connect it. Sometimes I be forgetting. Just so that it like flows with your eye. And see how it just connects. I'm gonna take a small lip brush and I'm gonna go in with Poquito Más, and I'm gonna put that right on my lash line just to darken it up. So we're basically mimicking what we did in the crease. I'm a little crusty in my eye. If you're wondering why it's darker on this side, it's because I put that turquoise in the middle, because I was like, I wanted to see how it looked, but I didn't like it, so I was trying to cover it up. Go in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang mascara, and let's coat the bottom lashes. I'm going to take a Morphe M501 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and sweep all this powder off my face. Alright, I'm going to take my Morphe M523 brush. Okay, so you know the drill. I'm going in with my Mercier bronzer. Okay, like I was saying, I'm going in with my Mercier bronzer, and I'm just taking it and doing slight swirls on my cheekbones. I'm not gonna do like a harsh contour, so I say, but just a light dust. Like I just got back from Mykonos and yachted for 3 weeks. Yes, 3. Almost a month, but not quite. Had business. So yeah, go for that look. Alright, I'm gonna take my Dose of Colors X Iluvsarahii Soulmates highlighter. I do not know where I'm taking the broken one because I do not know my good one's at. I had it in the restroom and Adrian put it somewhere, and I just haven't asked him where it is because he's gonna be like, I don't know. Luxie highlighter brush. Normally I would take a flat brush for broken projects. Oh my god, this stomach don't stop. Stop. This is a Morphe sponge, and I'm just gonna pat it into my skin. Let's go ahead and do some blush. I'm gonna go in with MAC Modern Mandarin. Go ahead. Fucking 12 hours later. Alright, I'm gonna do the lip real quick, and then we will finish up this video. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I wore this look to the Beyonce concert and I absolutely loved it. It just gives me like a mermaid vibes. So I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notification of when I upload. Like I said before, I'm trying to get these videos up at least twice a week. So let me know if you have any requests down below. I do have one video in mind that I've been wanting to do. It's just gonna take a little bit of time of filming. So I need to do that like on a weekend or whatever. I hope you enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.